I'm going to teach you how to make farinata pizza crust. It's high in protein and gluten-free. Place half a cup of chickpea flour in a bowl. Slowly add half cup of lukewarm water. Stir well to eliminate lumps. Add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix well, cover and set aside for at least an hour. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic, a pinch of rosemary, oregano, black pepper, and salt. Stir it up. Grease your pizza pan with a little bit of olive oil. Pour in the mixture. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Add the toppings of your choice and back to the oven for another 10 minutes. If you'd like to see more of our fitness recipe videos, please subscribe to our channel.